Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mills. Today I'm going to show you a super nice Airbnb. It's at a place called Bay Rock in Cabarete. It's actually kind of more towards Sosua than Cabarete. We're about 15 minutes from Cabarete. So I just want to do a quick little tour for you, and I'm sure these are also for sale, but I'll give you a tour and let you know how much we're paying per night for an Airbnb. So this is the entrance. You can see all of the pretty units. Let's walk down here first. So here we go, a nice sliding door. This is the back way, there's a main entrance. Living room, eating table, cute baby, not included. We have our kitchen bar. We have a fridge, pantry. It comes with sugar, coffee, there's salt and pepper, a microwave, there's big cabinets, some tea. And then over here we have the first bedroom. This is the master bedroom with a little private patio. We're gonna give this one to Jade because pregnant people come first. And then we have their bathroom. Very nice. And then we have over here, just like the service bathroom. Oh, that's locked. We have the main guest bathroom. And then the first bedroom, or I guess the second bedroom technically. Nice and private, ton of storage. And then this is where we're gonna stay. Lots of storage again, but I don't plan on unpacking. Now, with Airbnb, of course, you have those added cleaning fees and service fees and whatnot. So if we had gone right through the owner, that would be better. But we didn't have a lot of time, and basically we waited till the last minute, so everything was taken. But this wasn't that bad. It was $220 US with all the fees and everything together. So only about, $110 each. I feel like that's not that bad. Of course, you can find way, way, way cheaper places to stay, even directly in the center of Cabarete, but we wanted somewhere kind of in between the both of us. She's in Puerto Plata and, private, quiet, on its own little beach. So I think honestly this one is perfect for what we were looking for. Again, this is in Bay Rock, which is right near Sosua Ocean Village. So if you guys like content like this and you like seeing different places to stay in the DR, cost of living, other Airbnbs or apartment tours, then definitely subscribe, follow along. Please comment below with any questions that you have at all. I'd be happy to answer them for you, or let me know where your favorite place to stay in Cabarete or Sosua is. Sorry, it's so humid here, so just constantly sweating, but that's fine. Thank you so much for watching. I do videos every single week, so I will see you guys soon.